You need to hear this if your dog is scared of loud noises. Let's help them stay calm and collected. First, start with playtime. Make some noise while playing, keep it fun. Your dog will begin to associate sounds with happy times. Next, play recordings of loud noises. Start at a low volume. Gradually increase it as your dog stays relaxed. Reward them with treats and praise. Create a safe space, a cozy corner with their favorite toys and a blanket. This helps your dog feel secure. Stay calm yourself. Dogs sense our energy. If you're chill, your dog's more likely to be chill too. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Regular short sessions work best. Be patient and consistent. Remember, your furry friend can learn to stay cool even when it gets loud. You've got this. Happy training!